Sia Abrasives, helping us get our cars back on track in the shortest possible time, finishing first with the perfect finish.
Before applying the body filler, we need to remove the paint and key up the panel so we get good adhesion, which is very handy because basically you have your 1 and your 200 for removal of your paint and for your body filler work. And then when your panel's done, it goes to the paint shop, and it's your 3 and your 400, which is for them guys over on the other side of the wall. It's a very handy system. It also comes in your 2 and 400 block paper, which is very compact in the workshop. All right, so the Sia Sponge Flex, double-sided, flexible, wet and dry applications. Again, it's a 3-stage system. So you've got your yellow, your fillers, then you have your green for your solid color applications, and then it goes finer again to about 600 or 800 grit for your metallics and your base coats and so forth. So they also do these discs here, which is about, say, 1000 to 800 grit, which is perfect for blending your clears on the edge of your panel. And also you don't need to have the soft interface pattern because it's already built in.